Okay. So all can hear me, right? Fine, cool. Guys, my name is Satya, okay, and I work for Oracle, and this is almost 8th year, and I'm working as a mode to lead with all the Fusion stacks, with all the retail suite stack, and I belongs to product. So I work for Oracle Retail Suite, I work for Oracle Fusion Complete Suite, Oracle Testing Suite, and all in products. I'm a basically Java J2E guy. So with respect to Fusion, this is almost 5 years in ADF, WebCenter, SOA, your business intelligence, your all this WebCenter portal, WebCenter Suite, WebCenter sites, Fatware, with all the combinations. Okay. So I know different people have different opinions. We came here to learn something, but prior to that, this is not a language that we are going to read. This is all about technology, right? So definitely it makes sense that what exactly I thought about this technology when I think for a WebCenter. Okay, let me tell you, guys, you can all hear me, right? Because Raju, Avinav, and Praneeth, you all can hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, because I can't see your names who are talking. That is the problem. So Avinav, you can hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear.
So am I fast, slow, or I'll go slow, guys? Because I know that it is all in internet. So that complete communication may not be have. So I want to know your opinion. Is it cool enough, or will go slow?
You are at right pace.
Okay, okay. And Raju? Raju, can you hear me? Praneeth, Raju?
Yeah, Raju can hear you.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, cool then. Prior to jump to this things, portal, WebCenter, Fusion middleware, SOA concept, ADF concept, JDeveloper concept. Let me tell you something. See, Fusion, why it is so hit? Let me tell you why. I'm learning why. My question. If I'm in your place and then I'm thinking about it in this way. Why Fusion? Okay, if Java J2 is already there, if SOA is already there, if your business intelligence is already there, then why exactly this Fusion is ruling in the market, and mainly WebCenter? Okay, let me tell you one thing. So guys, we know that we can create different sets of applications. You guys are all senior peoples, you know the market very well. So when we are going to make a simple application or maybe simple product, that time it may contains one application, one set of process, two set of process, three set of process, or maybe multiple set of process, maybe 10. But did you heard that in a same application, in a single application, I'm going to communicate to 18 servers, 18 machine, or maybe 10 clouds, or maybe multiple chains of peoples, okay, in a single place. Means, as I give an example, that if I have a playground and I want to play multiple sports, it may be cricket, it may be football, it may be hockey, it may be whatever. Okay, so that time, that kind of playground is basically WebCenter is going to give you. Okay, you can play different level of different kind of games. Okay, and when we're going to go more deeper and deeper, we can get to know what exactly this complete thing is all about. But prior to that, remember, it's all about technology. Okay, and this technology is very heavy, very popular in the market, and because see, like if you say that, Satya, what is WebCenter basically? In a one word, what is WebCenter? So I'll say WebCenter is basically it's a playground for me. It's a playground for me. I used to give answer like that because I know that what kind of playground it is. Okay, it may be SOA playground, it may be a business intelligence playground, it may be a Java J2E playground, it may be ADF playground, anything you can say. It can be SAP web services, it can be .NET web services, it can have multiple things, and meanwhile, it is going to give you a lot of features on the runtime. What Avinav is already worked on that. Avinav, did you work on that runtime process? How exactly we are going to MDS? My thought is about MDS. Did you work on MDS, Avinav?
No, I haven't heard of that.
Okay, okay, that is the feature in 11G. Okay, what is that runtime? If I'm speaking about runtime thing, then what is that runtime basically? Runtime means, guys, it's very good example. I'm going to a mall. Okay, I like a shirt. Now my fundamental is I don't want the pocket. I don't want the pocket. Okay. Can I remove that pocket and can I take the shirt to my home? No, right? It is not possible, I think, because mall people are not going to let us to do that. If that can be possible in a mall, that is called the runtime. Means on the fly, I'm going to do a lot of things on the fly. Okay, on the fly. I think the best examples to see this, if you can access your iGoogle app, iGoogle, My Yahoo, your Citibank, maybe Vodafone, lot of people, Toyota, lot of people, whatever the applications they have, because that application gonna be for their end, they can maintain their applications. That applications can be viable to people as a services. That application maintained as a product, and so in a single plate, I can have multiple things. Okay, for that reason it is so popular. Okay, so now let me give a very small. Okay, let me give a very small example. People are going to ask me, what exactly the prerequisites? Okay, let me tell you. The prerequisites is you guys are all experienced, right? I know bit of core Java, bit of it is like the basics of core Java. Second, I need to know basics of JSF. If you guys know JSF, then it's well and good. If you don't know, then definitely I'm going to cover the JSF concept. Third is the practical behaviors of applications. It doesn't mean that because how exactly. Yeah, that's all I need in terms of prerequisite. Other things I'm gonna give. I want just to listen to the class. That's all. Everything I'm gonna deliver here. No problem. So first thing is, let me create a PPT because I used to have a good practice to create PPTs, guys. So it is gonna be pretty to use, and I'm documents as well. Okay. So as we know that WebCenter has, we are going to learn portal. Okay. With respect to that, there is other capabilities called as WebCenter Spaces. Okay. Other thing is like WebCenter Sites. They have different features, and it's going to be imaging. Okay, and after that. It can have sites. Okay, we have written sites, right? Oh yeah, that's all. So these applications have this much of flavors. Okay, this much of flavors. So after that, and how exactly it is going to help me? Because it is going to help me to create. It is going to help me to use SOA. Okay, it's going to help me to use business intelligence. It is going to help me in web services. Okay, how I'll explain. Okay, and it is going to help me in terms of runtime activities. Runtime means, as I given the example of that T-shirt, the shirt or whatever. Okay, runtime activities, and with respect to that heavy. Okay, like as I can give example. Let's suppose I'm doing something on any web application. Okay, any web application. Now my requirement is that I need to add a Facebook. Okay, I need to add a Facebook in my certain application. In that case, can we do that in any web application? No, I think it is not easy enough. But WebCenter is going to help you on that. Okay, in WebCenter there is multiple out of the box things. Okay, yes, one thing I missed, out of the box. Out of the box things. Okay, what is that out of the box? Definitely we're going to discuss. Okay. So this is have different capabilities with respect to portal, and how exactly it is going to use. Let me tell you. I'm going to give a small example, guys. See, it's more to a demo class, and for that reason, we are not going to cover a lot of things. But definitely, I'm going to give a basics of idea what exactly we are learning at least. Okay, what does that mean? How exactly things are behaving in real time work? Okay, so let me create a simple application. Directly we'll jump to technology. So that we'll see a lot of application. This is JDeveloper, guys. Okay, I'm going to cover this JDeveloper. JDeveloper is basically the IDE which is going to help me to create a lot of things. Okay, but not restricted. WebCenter is not restricted to JDeveloper. I can do a lot of things on runtime. Okay, guys, you can mute your mic because I'm getting some noises. Hello. Guys, I'm getting some noise. You can mute your mics, and whenever you want to say that, you can unmute. Avinav, is it? I'm getting some noises. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So basically, yes. So when I'm talking about WebCenter, okay, this is the ID which is going to help me to build a lot of things. Now, this IDE has a lot of features. Okay, JDeveloper things I'm going to cover, but for time being, we are not going to see what exactly JDeveloper is doing, what exactly WebCenter is doing. So to use in WebCenter, because this is ID, right? We need to install the WebCenter first, the extensions, the plugins. Okay, so here we can install, check for updates, and you can go to click next. You can check from your official extension, or you can download from the jar file also from your local machine. This is going to be the features that you're going to access all the features of WebCenter application. First, I can get to know how exactly my WebCenter is installed or not in JDeveloper. Avinav, are you using JDeveloper in 10G also or in Eclipse?
No, I'm not using JDeveloper, but when I joined this account or the project, it was already in the support mode. So I'm supporting the
Oh, it is in support mode. Okay, okay.
So I
Okay.
don't know how my website is built. Was it built using JDeveloper? Because someone from Oracle has come to our site and they have done the work. I came in the scene when project was rolled out and it was in support mode.
Oh. Got it. Okay, no problem. But yeah, that time it was 10G, Oracle JDeveloper 10G, and people like other people they're using Eclipse as well. Okay, because and finally they are deploying their application into whatever the server they want. So now, if I want to access the WebCenter features, guys, it's pretty simple. Okay, I need to click WebCenter portal. That's all. Nothing. See, I'm not gonna do any rocket magic here. I'm gonna do a simple next, and with mouse, no code, nothing. Now just see. I'm going to create a simple application called as WebCenter portal application. How? I have clicked the updates. I have checked the plugins. Go to new. Go to your application, all technology. Go to application. Okay, here application. Click WebCenter portal application. Okay. Click it. Guys, WebCenter needs a bit of ADF features. Okay. So whatever the ADF feature, I'm gonna discuss. I'll discuss some ADF features as well. If you guys are not know about the ADF features, what are the things we are gonna use in WebCenter? See, if I know ADF, then it is well and good. If I don't know, then it's good to learn, right? So I'm gonna cover a bit of ADF concept, which is gonna help us to learn WebCenter. ADF is a framework. It's a huge framework. Okay, it's a huge framework. But whatever the things we are gonna use on top of WebCenter, that we are gonna discuss definitely. Okay. So I'm going to give a name, any name, WCP app test, whatever, WebCenter portal app test. Click next. It's a portal project, and in this portal project, you can see I have all the shuttle component. I have the general generated components. I have associated libraries. A lot of things. What other files are involved here? Everything is going to come in this portal project. Okay. This is the place, and you can see that in the shuttle, whatever the things is included in the portal. Okay, we will see that when it's going to finish. Click next. Okay, this is the basic package of the portal. Click next, and this is something the WebCenter features, WebCenter settings, which we are going to select. Don't do anything for time being. You see, I'm not doing anything. I'm going to click next. That's all. Okay, click next. This is the portal web assets. So basically, there is two folders called as portal and portal web assets, because I have got two you can say subtle components. Okay, now I'm gonna make finish. Okay, nothing. I'm gonna make finish. Just see what exactly the things is creating on top of your WebCenter portal application. Okay, it is gonna take 1 minute of time because why it is taking 1 minute of time, 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds, we'll see why it is taking, because it is going to give you lot of files. Fine, it's created, right? See, WCP app test. Okay, this is the project palette. In the project palette, we can see all the components of projects, and you can see that I have two folders, basically portal and portal web assets. So if I'm going to expand the portal, you can see that there is lot of files which is created automatically, right? Lot of files, PNG files, JSPX files, XML files, your metadata file, this definitions file. What is these files are? Okay, no need to bother. And some WebINF file, IDF config, faces config, web services XML, Trinidad XML, WebLogic. What is these files are? We'll discuss. We'll discuss each and every file with respect to this application. Okay, no need to worry. For timing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply, I didn't do anything. I'm not going to do anything because I told that we're going to use only mouse, not any keyboard. Okay, right click and run. Nothing.
Hello.
Yeah, Raju.
The screen, I think my screen is frozen. I'm not seeing anything other than your first JDeveloper step 2 of 5. Okay, now it's gone. Okay, now it is clearing up. Okay. I think there is a delay.
Okay. Yeah, for that reason I have asked whether my voice is coming low, maybe the screen is going to come late because this is all in web, right? So maybe that much of clarity we can't get whatever we can get in face to face. So for that
now
reason,
I'm able to see your screen now. All those components.
Okay. I'll go slow then. So guys, you can see that this JDeveloper, excuse me. This JDeveloper is now deploying the application. You can see the log window. Every information about this application, you can get it here. He's your friend. This log is going to help you. Okay. Whatever the things is happening, whatever the things are running, whatever the things are deploying, every information about this application. Okay. So we're going to get a help of log window so that we can get to know what is happening behind the scene. Now it is deploying application and guys, deployment profile. I have one question, guys, to you. What is a deployment profile and what does it matter to server? Running.
What was it you said? Deployment?
What is the deployment profile? And how exactly it matters to your servers?
I don't know.
Okay. Abhinav, you worked on Java J2, right? Before we spoke, Java J2, right? Or ERP? I think you are in ERP, right?
I worked in .NET before this application. I mean, before this assignment, I was working in .NET and C++.
Okay, .NET. Okay. You're working in .NET, right? Then you might heard about SharePoint, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. When I'm deploying the SharePoint application, what exactly is happening to the server?
I don't know.
I think .NET use IIS, right? IIS server. How you're using WebLogic? The same thing in .NET is IIS. Okay. So when I'm deploying an application into IIS, what exactly is happening behind the scene? Any idea? Pranit? Abhinav, can I have the answer?
No.
Is it going to store the files in the IIS server location? Or it's going to bind our files into the server?
Correct. But I need a systematic answer. Okay, you're correct. Your thought is correct, Pranit. But I want to know. I want to know a 10 out of 10 answer.
I believe when you define your solution on IIS, it creates a default website and it creates a hyperlink. It creates a URL to the website, and under the default website, it creates a directory structure related to our deployment folder.
Correct. Yes, you're correct. Yes, no, it's correct only. It's correct. But what exactly is happening? Means how exactly it is creating the URL? How? My question is that one.
That I really don't know.
Okay.
I have seen the outcome, but I don't know what is running behind the scenes.
Okay. I'll tell. Abhinav, what is your thought about that?
No, what's your question?
My question is what do we mean by deployment profiles, and how exactly deployment profiles is going to make impact on servers? I'm deploying this file, right? I'm deploying this application. I'm running this application. Means behind the scene it is deploying also. See, it is deploying. Okay. It is compiling out and it is again deploying. You can see that application deployed successfully. What does it mean? It any application, any application. Maybe you can take your 10G. Sorry, your version 10G itself. I'm running this application, right? I'm running this application. You know, this application is running here. See, 127. This is the host name, port address, my application name, my WCP app test portal series coming. Now, when I'm running this application, what exactly is happening? Means I have the right click and run, right? But what exactly is happening? How it is came there? Any idea about that, Abhinav?
It's a local web server.
It's a local web server, yes. Yes.
So our application is getting deployed to our local web server.
Correct. Then my question is that one. What do we mean by deployment? Okay, I'll give it. Your thought is, see, your thoughts is correct. You thought that it will go to server, it will do something, but I want to know what is that do, what it will do. Raju, any idea about that? Any thoughts about that?
It will register DLL EXE on server or server.
Okay. Yes.
It will register this EXE DLL on server side.
Yes, kind of. Yes. But not, guys. I need 10 out of 10 answer at least. Raju.
Yeah, let me take a guess. Satya, WebLogic can support multiple domains.
Correct.
And within the domain, again, it can support the what do you call web applications.
Correct.
By deployment profile, so it is going and running under a specific. I'm not getting the right word.
Okay, no, I got it. What I mean say, yes, go ahead. Yes.
So it is going to be saved and run under the specific profile.
Correct. Yes, this is kind of a 10 out of 10 answer. Yes. So guys, let me tell you. Let me have my thoughts. When I'm deploying, I spoke that I'm going to deploy application. It may be .NET, Pranit. It may be a portal, maybe it may be anything, any web application, any application itself. So when I'm deploying that application, which is going to used on the browser. See, I'm running this application, is coming on the browser, right? Means that application it is going to somewhere. Okay. See, this application cannot run by himself. He needs his friend, and his friend is server. Okay, they know each other, and they can communicate with the same language. If portal is going to say something to WebLogic, or maybe .NET is going to say something to IIS, then they server is going to get to know what exactly this application is saying to me. So I need to behave in that way. So what is happening behind the scene when I'm going to run this application, when I'm going to deploy this application, as Raju spoke, it is going to some specific place onto the server. Server is a complete house, and they have small rooms. Okay. So when I'm deploying a certain application, and how could I know what is the deployment type of application? Go to the right click on the project, go to the project properties, and go to the deployment. You can see that it's a WAR file. Okay, it's a web archive file. Okay, so when I'm deploying this application is going to deploy as a war file. War means it's a surname. Okay, I have a surname. Okay, different people has different surname, and we can get to know them by the surnames. Definitely, in that way, every application has a surname, and that surname is basically their identity. Okay, what is their identity to have a application? And this application is basically a war application, war file. Okay, that is called the deployment profile. Okay, and when I'm going to deploy this application, it is going to deploy as a war file to the server. So it is going to the server with lot of rooms, as I told, as Raju spoke, that there is small many servers are there. So basically, when I'm deploying this application, I'm deploying to the war scope in the server in a complete house. There is one room called as war. Okay, it is that application is deploying there, and that room knows when my friend is going to come, how I need to behave. Okay, so when I'm deploying that application, it is going to war in the WebLogic server, or maybe it is going to IIS as a war file, and it is doing something there. And finally, as we know that it's a web file, we need to see it. Server knows that it's a war file, send a response soon. If it is a ER file, it is a project file. If it is a jar file, then it is a Java archive file. It is a MAR file, it's a metadata file. He knows that. Okay, he knows that what exactly this application surname is and how I need to behave with respect to surname. So it's a war file, it is going to server, it is deploying, so it is deployment finished. Okay, and finally you can see that I'm getting a URL, right? I'm getting a URL. So this URL is basically gonna generate in your browser. You can see that. Okay. Okay, this is what a deployment of a application and a deployment profile is all about. And server means server is very smart. Okay, he knows that how I need to behave. For that reason, when I'm going to deploy application, if it is a certain type of different file, it is going to behave in that way. Okay, so I think it is clear about it is clear enough, right? What is a deployment type? What is deployment? What do you mean by deployment? How deployment is going to help take help of server? Everything. What server is doing? Avinav, any doubts on that? Any confusion on that? What we spoke about deployment process?
Yes, okay. Is it okay if you can summarize everything now? I mean, like, I know bits and pieces here and there.
Okay. Okay. No, but I know. Avinav, see, as I told people, I know the concepts. Okay, I'm gonna and concepts matters. Okay, if I know the concepts, I know how to write codes. That you know the concept, right? Now you get to know what exactly is happening. How exactly it is happening? Definitely we're gonna have a see. We have a look how exactly it is happening. But you got the concept, right? What exactly the mean of deployment is.
Yeah.
Avinav, any thoughts? Any suggestion?
No, I don't have any.
Okay, Praneeth.
No, I mean, can you just tell the deployment profile again, like little briefly?
Okay. Deployment profile.
Yeah.
Deployment profile means, see, this is I have created a web application, right? Web application means this is a portal application, and portal application is basically a web application. So now, when I'm going to use this application, then as I told that every application has a surname. So this portal is also have a surname, and that surname is basically, if I go to the project property, if I go to the deployment section, I can get to know what is this project file actually. This is a war type of file. You can see that, and we can have different sets of deployment file like jar file, ADF library jar, EJB jar, client jar, RAR, shared library jar, tag library jar, war file. It can have different type of surnames. So if these surnames are going to define this application. So if I'm talking about this is a war application, war file, then definitely it is going to be a web archive file. Okay, so when I'm deploying this application or when I'm running this application means it is going to server. You can see that running application on server instance, deployment started. See, it is going to deploy as a war file. You can see that in a C drive. Okay, it is going to deploy it is going to create a WAR file, and if you go to that application, you can see that your WAR file is there. Okay, if you're going to take explicitly also that WAR file and you're going to deploy into the server, server is this one. Let me show you that. What do we mean by servers? Okay, let me open it. Go to in the JDeveloper. Okay, guys, there is a place called application server. Okay, I'll explain about JDeveloper later. Okay, and this server is having all the information. I want to see my server.
Satya, can you hear me?
Yes, Raju, I can hear you.
Yeah, the screen is very slow. I think you give me a few seconds delay, that way I can catch up. I can hear you clearly, but the screen is changing probably after 30 seconds.
Okay, fine. I'll do that. I'll definitely do that. Thank you, Raju. Now, this is the application server place. Okay, application server. So in the JDeveloper, if I want to know what exactly is happening on the server level, I can do that. Okay, how? I'll right click on the server palette. This is the server palette, and I'll click launch admin console. So now I'm going to see my admin console on the browser. Okay, I'm going to see the admin console on the browser. It is going to come, and Praneeth, deployment means it is going to go to server definitely. It is going to go to server, and if it is a WAR file, it is going to come also. Praneeth?
Okay.
Praneeth?
Yeah, I could hear it.
Okay. Because whenever I'm saying again it is echoing to me. So I thought what exactly is happening. So no problem. Yes, fine. This is the WebLogic server. Okay, and there is a welcome screen, login credential, username and password, login. This is the server. Everything is happening in this place. This is the playground actually. What I'm talking about. This playground is going to give you a lot of tools. Okay. So we'll see, guys. We run this application, right? We go to the application now. I'm going to JDeveloper. I'm in JDeveloper now. So when I'm running this application, it is deploying to the application server, and the server is going to do something if it is a different type of application. So show you that WebLogic console. So this is the WebLogic console, guys. Raju, can you able to see the WebLogic console?
No, not yet. I'm still waiting for the screen to show.
Okay.
I'm surprised. Abhinav and Praneeth, you guys are able to see the screens clearly?
No, I'm not able to see either.
There is a delay.
I'm seeing only credentials in this moment. Okay, now I can see console of WebLogic.
Oh, it is coming this much of late. Guys, my internet is, I think it's too good. Mine is 5 Mbps. I don't know. My speed is good. Guys, I think, I don't know. I don't have any idea. Okay, but I'll go slow. Okay, so one thing I get to know, I will go slow. Okay,
now, so Satya, I can see the console, WebLogic console now.
Oh, okay, so it is a bit slow. I don't know, maybe today's internet is a bit slow, something like that. Okay,
my internet is like, 15 MB, 15 to 20 MB I get. So it is not my internet delay.
Maybe it's a GoToMeeting issue?
No, maybe, do you guys maxed out? What is the number of licenses you have? Satya?
I think they have. Yeah, I don't know because I'm in Bangalore. Rajesh is in Hyderabad.
Okay. I believe, see, if we have, say, maxed out the licenses, sometimes this happens. I do go to meetings every day.
Okay.
But when I max out my go-to-meeting sessions, that is the time they start misbehaving. But we are only 4, right? Rajesh already left.
Yes, this shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen.
Why is it happening now?
Guys?
Okay, I'll go.
Yes.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Now I'm still seeing the web console, WebLogic console.
Okay. Rajesh is there?
Yes, Satya.
Actually, thing is happening. The screens are gonna come a bit late. Okay, and maybe it's a GoToMeeting issue, right?
Yes, might be.
Okay. No. But one thing we get to know that we need to go slow. Okay, because I need to go slow. Okay, that is cool. So now, guys, this is the WebLogic console. Okay, so now if I'm gonna see what exactly is happening in the server, so if you go to your deployments, you can see that the deployment link. Just click that deployment. Just click the deployment, and you can see that there is different type of deployment types. You can see that our application. Okay, hello world. You can see the. Let me customize this. Okay, I can give thousands, and you can able to see now what exactly I have did. Guys, I have, see, my application is this one. Can you able to see this, guys? WCP app test version 2. Okay, enterprise application. It is deployed as an enterprise application, means it is an EAR file, and in that EAR, if you're going to export particular application, guys, you can see that your all WAR file, everything, every components. Okay, every component which is associated with this application. So basically, this is the application deployment process, and what exactly is happening in the deployment? It is going to server. It is again making a round trip. Okay, it is again making a round trip, and again it is visible in the browser. So basically, the server is okay. You can see that actually you can see that context root modules, EJBs, no web services, nothing, and you can see that what exactly things are. This is the WAR file. This is basically a WAR file. You can see that one small part. This is basically WAR file. So basically, this is the process. Again, it is going to come to your browser. So when I run this application, I'm in JDeveloper now. Let the JDeveloper came. Okay. Okay. So fine. I'm in JDeveloper now. So when
still waiting, Satya. Sorry, just
okay.
Also, Satya, do you have many applications opened on your desktop or laptop?
Not many, but yeah, a lot of applications are running because I have a lot of Oracle softwares.
Do you need that or?
Yes, all for WebCenter. Guys, yes, one thing I need to tell. WebCenter is a heavy software. Okay, those clients. Let me tell you something about the business. Meanwhile, JDeveloper came. So guys, when I'm talking about WebCenter, there is heavy clients. All WebCenter clients are very heavy. Like I'll tell you, Vodafone, when I used to work for them, and I know where exactly which project is running, because I get the support activity, what exactly is the process is happening in which company. Vodafone, your Toyota, Rolls-Royce, your Bank of America, ANZ, Australian New Zealand Bank, Singapore government, means your U-Bank, means any client, any ERP client, any automobile client, any automotive client. Boeing is a client. Boeing is a big client. Think about it. It is the favorite thing for everybody. And the good thing about Portal is, see, nowadays what is happening? I designed an application, and in Java is open source. I can design application, but to do the application it is very tough in Java to maintain this much of things. But if it is in WebCenter, then definitely after 10 years, I don't know what is going to happen. Right? What is going to happen? I don't know. But in day by day, things are changing. Like I don't know. But WebCenter clients are they don't have a tension to do something. Let's suppose I have created an application. Right? This application can be used when WebCenter is also going to close. Okay? Because the process is like that. The Oracle is very smart. He knows that the client mind is also very smart mind. Okay, he used to thought the things in a different way. For that reason, they give him that much of support. And heavy clients, there is no less client which I have seen in my life. These are all heavy clients. Okay, and the good thing is that there is very less people in the market. Nobody knows what is a WebCenter, but heavy clients are there. They need projects. Okay, because it is. I'll show you when we're gonna finish the session. I'll tell you guys, you're gonna feel difference. Yeah, this is what technology is all about. And Abhinav, 10G and 11G, there is a hell and heaven difference. Okay, it's completely changed. It's completely ruling the market. In IT, there is a major competitor of this portal application is WebSphere, Liffray, your Struts, Spring portal, but WebCenter is best. Okay, it's an open source. It's all based on XML, and XML, which is something that at end of the world, XML will survive. Okay, it's based on completely on XML, so it is going to be cool enough. There is no problem on that. Okay, so business, with respect to business, there is a heavy business. Okay, for Oracle, it's a hit product of Oracle, and very easy actually. WebCenter is not tough. People, WebCenter needs a lot of thoughts how exactly things are behaved. So for that reason, those are heavy experienced people. They have a lot of ideas. They used to have a lot of thoughts that how exactly things are working in the real time. Okay, so they can easily correlate your portal or maybe this application to their application. It is going to help them also. For that reason, it's very hit, very popular, and very less guys in the market. So this is what about the business point of view. So guys, now I think I'm in JDeveloper.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yes. So when I'm going to run this application, guys, after that I'm going to go to my browser. So I'm in my browser now. Let the browser come. So when I'm running this application, as I told that it is making a deployment to the server, and when it is coming back as a URL, and this is the application URL which is going to run. Okay, one question to all. Pranit, what is a entry point of a web application? What is the initial entry point? I'm going to go to house. I need to pass my door. That is going to be the entry point, right? In the same way,
OWS and I mean the web server.
Okay, in project. Abhinav, what is the you heard the question, right?
Yeah, I believe if it is web browser, if it is web application, then HTTP request to web server would be the first entry point.
What is the file name? What is that file name I want? What is that file name? Pranit, what is that file name? Raju?
Yeah, you're talking about the root directory. There is a start.
Hello?
Yeah, so they can hear me.
Yes, I can. We can.
Yeah, the entry point, I believe you're talking about the XML, HTML.
Yes, no, the entry point of the web application.
On the server side, it is the root directory. That's the root directory where it starts all the path.
Correct. What is the file name? What is the file name I want?
Oh, file name.
Guys, it is web.xml. I'm talking about web.xml.
Oh, okay. HTML, yeah. XML.
Okay. Guys, remember these things. The entry point of any web application, it may be ASP, JSP, PHP, .NET, whatever. The entry point of any web application is web.xml. Okay,
got it.
They are going to enter to your application after that, because if you go to JDeveloper, if you go to your web.xml file, you can see that a lot of files are there. Servlets, libraries, a lot of application context, application root, jar file, everything is there. Okay. So basically, he has contained a lot of things. Okay. If I go to JDeveloper again, guys, I'm going to go to JDeveloper again. I'm sorry. I think you guys can see the JDeveloper now. It is going to take a bit of time. Guys, if you go to, I'm in JDeveloper now, and what I'm doing now, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to project properties. Okay. If I'll go to project properties in the Java EE application, guys, you can able to see the screen now?
Yeah, JDeveloper you can see.
Okay, if you go to that, I have a libraries and class paths. You can see that. What is the libraries and class paths are associated with this application? Okay, you can see that, right? In the same way, if you go to the web.xml, let me go to the web.xml. Sorry. If you go to the web.xml, guys, can you able to see the web.xml? You can see that servlets. What are the servlets? Okay, so each servlet, when the response is going to hit first onto the server, is going to hit first onto the servlet. Okay, filters, we can write some certain filters. Security, we can have some security, but we can have some explicit security as well. Pages, index.html, you can see that the welcome file is index.html, you can give some error file as well. And reference. What is the difference? What is the reference is this application has with respect to? We have a WebCenter data source, we have activity data source. Okay, like that. So basically, the entry point of this application is also web.xml, and the entry point of any web application is also web.xml. Remember this point. Now I'm going to go to browser. Guys, I have run this application, and after running this application, I'm going to server. I'm going to browser where the application is launched. Now let the browser come, and here I'm going to give username and password, because if you saw the screen, then there is a login credentials which is going to ask me, which is username and password. So I'm going to give username as a WebLogic. Guys, can you able to see my screen now?
No, not yet.
Okay, okay. I'm going to access the screen, the browser, and I think the browser things are coming late. Right? JDeveloper things are not coming late. The browser things. Raju, is it came now?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now we got the web browser.
Okay, fine. Guys, what I did here, you can able to see the screen, right? In the screen, I have a username and I have a password, and you can see that there is a home screen. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, this is all in runtime. I'm not doing it in the design time. JDeveloper things are already done. I'm going to log in. I'm going to click that and I'm going to log in. Okay, you can see that I'm logged in.
No, we're still waiting to see that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I know that.
Fine. Now,
No,
what
no,
I'm going to do here, not now.
Not yet.
Yeah, I think this is the browser problem. This is the browser issue, because JDeveloper things are coming very fine, right?
Yeah,
when we are working on browser.
Fairly faster than this one.
Correct.
Well, what browser you use, Satya?
I use Chrome.
I'm sorry, which one?
Chrome.
Okay.
You can able to see, right, Raju, the welcome screen, welcome WebLogic, administration, log out.
Yeah, that part I can see, yes.
Okay, now I'm going to go to the administration. See guys, this is all in runtime. Now the application which I have created, I have deployed, it is coming here. I'm going to log in now. Just it's a demo, okay? What exactly we can do. Now I'm going to go to administration. Just see that. I click the link of administration. Okay, like whatever the things we can do in WebLogic console, that administration, deployment, everything, the same thing is we are going to do in the WebCenter console. Means WebCenter is a console also there itself, and that console is built on top of ADF. Okay, some ADF concepts to build this console. Okay, you can see the. Can you able to see the console now?
It's coming up, Satya. It's coming
Okay,
up.
okay.
Yeah, now we can see that, yeah.
Yes, this console is basically gonna will do lot of things on the runtime, on the fly in this place. This is called as the administration console. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna create a page, guys. I'm gonna create a page on the runtime. Okay, this is not I'm doing in JDeveloper. See, you can get a pop-up, and Raju, can you able to see this pop-up message?
Not yet. I see create a new page.
Okay.
Balloon help, yeah. It's coming up, I guess.
So what? Yeah, it is gonna come as a pop-up. Okay, and it came after that.
Yeah, now we got the screen. Create
Okay,
page.
fine. Yes, create page, and we are going to give a name. I have given a test page, and you're going to choose the template. Means you're going to create a template also in the runtime. Okay, I'm going to choose globe page template. Fine.
Okay.
And this is the page style. There is bit of page style. I'll tell what is this page style is all about. Okay, not now. So I'm going to create one page on the runtime. I have clicked create. Okay, I have clicked the button, and let's see what exactly is going to happen. Fine. Now, I think you can able to see that one page has created on the pages. Can you able to see now? Home page,
Yes.
this page.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I need to click this checkbox. Yes, I need to view this page. Okay. I need to show this page. You need to click the show page. Now, let me open the test page, guys. Okay. I have right clicked and I have opened in the next tab. Okay. Test page. Can you able to see this test page now?
No, not yet. We're waiting to.
Okay, it is going to come now.
Yeah, we see the test page now.
Yes, you can see the test page now, right? The same application, home page, test page. Now, on runtime, we are going to add something. Let's add something. So, how to edit this page? You can edit this page in administration console. You can edit this page on the fly itself. On the fly means type Control Shift and E. If I'm going to type Control Shift and E, that means the shortcut to edit that page. Okay, I'm going to edit this page and you can see that. Now you can see a different screen. Raju, can you able to see a different screen now where there is a small thing coming?
Now it came up with a new page.
Okay, fine. Now,
Editing.
yes, add content. This place is called as Oracle Composer. We're going to discuss this, okay?
Okay.
I think all the agenda, what exactly we're going to cover. Okay, in that agenda, everything is there. Okay, no need to worry. This is the demo class. For that reason, I'm going to cover each concept. Strategic class, I'm going to cover everything bit by bit, okay? So now you can see that this is going to be the pop-up. Can you able to see the pop-up now? When I'm going to click add content.
It is coming up.
Okay, and there you can see that, see basically what is happening when I'm going to clicking the add content, that time something behind the scene was running and he's going to give me the total, you can say it's kind of a place, okay, where I can take my stuff. It's like a market where I can take some with respect to my requirement, what exactly I required, I can take the stuff from this place. Okay, and after that, see, you can able to see that, right? There's a pop-up is going to come, and there's a web development, tagging, searching, social communication, portlets, polls, mashups, content management, lot of things are going to come. So basically, this is the market where I can take with respect to my data. Okay, Raju, can you able to see the screen now?
We can see that.
Okay. After that, I'm going to add. I need to add some web development content. Okay, so I have clicked the web development content. Let's see what is the components are there. Okay, we have a lot of components like movable box, text, web page, image, hyperlink, HTML markup. So it can be anything. Whatever you're gonna think, everything can be taken in this place. Okay, lot of things. Okay, I'll explain. So for timing, we add a text. Okay, I'm gonna add a text here in the page. I have edited that, and now close. Add your text here. Can you able to see this screen now?
Yeah, now we can see that, yes.
Okay, now I'm going to edit my text. Okay, I'm going to click edit text, and I'm going to edit my text here. Guys, can you able to see now? I'm going to
welcome.
I have done my editing. Okay.
Yes. Hi,
and I'm going to close.
Okay.
Yes. And I'm going to close this window because I'm editing this page, right? I'm editing this page. I'm adding some content for that reason. Now you can see that whatever the things I have did in the runtime, it is going to be available in my page. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, you can do one thing. Give your bit of time to iGoogle, okay, or maybe myyahoo.com. Okay. You can go to iGoogle, you can see that what exactly you can do with that application. That is example of portal. Okay, that is a very good example of portal. So in the runtime, I can able to add a lot of steps. This is what a runtime means. But this is what WebCenter do in runtime. This is one capability. This is not WebCenter. This is one capability of WebCenter. Okay. So guys, this is the runtime feature of WebCenter. There is other feature. There is lot of things are there in WebCenter which we couldn't imagine. This can be done in the portal application. So, hello guys, you clear about the thoughts, right? Any questions here? Any confusion here?
No, Satya, I missed the introduction. Basically, would you mind telling me what is exactly the WebCenter role in the Fusion, right?
Role.
The Fusion applications.
Okay. In Fusion applications, let's suppose I have multiple applications running on different servers. Correct?
Okay.
One application is running on SOA, with respect to SOA, okay? With respect to SOA, so service-oriented architecture, okay? There is different features as well. So with respect to SOA, WebCenter, let's suppose one application is running on Siebel, one application is running on your e-business suite, one application is running on your Lotus Note, one application is running on some different product of IBM or maybe any place. Now, I need to bundle it together. I need every application in the same plate. Let's suppose I want to create a login page. Guys, give me 1 minute. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Fine. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah. So I'm talking about. Let's suppose what exactly I'm talking about? I forgot actually. Guys, WebCenter features, right? Okay. WebCenter features. Okay, correct. So WebCenter is, let's suppose I'm going to talk that Siebel is running in one place, e-business suite is running in one place, your .NET is running in one place. So meanwhile, I want every application's bits and pieces in a single plate. Sorry, one second. Guys, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So guys, yes. What I'm saying is, so let's suppose each. Sorry for disturbance. So where am I? Let's suppose every application is running on different places. Okay. With respect to SOA. So now my requirement is I need to take each application. Let's suppose I want to create an application where there is a login page, but the login page is designed in Siebel, or maybe the login page is coming from SAP. In that case, okay, I can take that login page credentials and I can create my application in WebCenter. Okay, so basically I can consume the service. I can design the things which I want from that service. So I can design multiple things. I can create a video. If you go to iGoogle, let me take you to iGoogle. Okay, this is a very good example. Okay.
No, Satya, can I interrupt you for a year?
Yes,
so
sure.
Basically, is for a monitoring or administration of the SOA components.
Everything. It can be for monitoring. It can be used as a user end, means end user can use it. We people can use it. It can be for the administration. We can administrate something on the WebCenter. We can monitor something on WebCenter, and it can be everything. You can take it in either ways. We can build product on WebCenter. If I want to build a product, I can build a product on WebCenter.
Got it.
Okay. Qualcomm. I think you heard about the name Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a very good company. Qualcomm is build some product on top of WebCenter. Oracle has some different product called Identity Services. Okay. Identity Services product is basically built on top of WebCenter. That service product is built on top of WebCenter. So think, WebCenter can be anything. WebCenter can be anything. It can be used for SOA. It can be used for products. It can be used for services. It can be used for monitoring. It can be used for web application. And web application means a compact web application, fully loaded, Rajinikanth style. It can do everything. Okay. So means he has all the capability. He has all the capability to do.
Okay. We are about to show iGoogle. We're waiting.
Yes. iGoogle. You can see that this is an iGoogle application.
No, we're still waiting, Satya.
Okay. Otherwise, you can can have some time and you can see that. Okay, I have logged into iGoogle. Okay, I have logged into iGoogle.
Yeah, now we can see that. Yeah.
You can see that, right? So this is the best example of portal, means what exactly a portal can do with respect to SOA. This is with respect to SOA. Okay, not completely WebCenter. With respect to SOA, you can see that different application, Fox News, YouTube, calendar, today's horoscope, New York Times, a lot of things are there. So basically, this is the single place where different, maybe this YouTube is coming from SAP, maybe this Google Calendar is coming from Siebel, maybe this Fox News is coming from different place. So in a single place, I can have multiple things. And it doesn't mean that it should be a video. It should be a different application. It should be maybe merchandise application. This may be billing application. This may be your purchasing application, pricing application, everything. In single plate, I can do everything.
Okay.
So doesn't it cool? And good thing is we can customize it. We can customize and personalize. Customization and personalization is the two keywords which I'm gonna explain. Means in the runtime, on the fly, I can do a lot of stuff as well, which is very cool. Did I do this application? This hi, welcome to World of WebCenter. Did I do it in JDeveloper? No, I didn't do it in ID. I'm doing it on the runtime. I'm doing it on the fly. This is one a good example of SOA. You got the point, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And then, so guys, I think it's already late in India timing. I need to go to office, and I think this is cool enough for today's demo. Okay, and for that reason, I have taken a long time. So guys, Rajesh, can you hear us? Hello.
Yeah, Satya, I can hear you.
Okay, I think Rajesh is left.
Rajesh left a time ago. That's what I was looking at it. And the go-to meeting, I saw him leaving.
Okay.
Rajesh left long time ago. Satya, anyway, so when is our next class? Next Monday?
Maybe we are going to start this complete batch. Okay, we're going to start the batch, guys. See, I know, guys, that we have a lot of confusion, a lot of doubts. Avinav belongs to 10G, Pranit belongs to .NET. Guys, let me tell you one thing. I need your interest. That's all. I need your interest. And second thing is, don't hesitate to do mistakes. Do some mistakes from JDeveloper, or maybe from runtime. I want to do your mistakes. Unless and until you're not going to do mistakes, and don't hesitate to do mistakes. Okay, I need these two things. I need interest, and I need you guys should do some mistakes in JDeveloper. That's all.
Okay.
Leave it to me. Cool. Avinav? Avinav, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Avinav, your voice is very slow. Is coming. Is it the volume is less? Because his voice is coming very slow.
Is it okay now?
My volume. I think yeah, it is. It's good. It's good. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Avinav. I want to know
okay
your. Yes, it is okay. Yes, it is. Yes. Avinav, yes, you can tell me. Hello.
Yeah,
Avinav.
I can hear.
Any thoughts? We're finishing.
From this session, what I could see, like I have got some idea of JDeveloper and WebLogic portal.
Correct.
So this gives me a kickstart to learn more about it. And I find it very interesting. I worked on the Oracle WebCenter 10G RC. That too, I worked only on the WebCenter interaction. WebCenter interaction is totally a kind of subset of a product.
Yes.
So it do have the similar capability, like adding feature on the fly, adding content on the fly, and making it appear just by a browser refresh. It do have a similar editing capability. Also, I have integrated site studio with Oracle
UCM.
Yeah. So that way it gives much more editing capability. So it do work actually. I mean, JDeveloper is totally new to me, and I find it very interesting. And because wherever I search for WebCenter. I don't know. I'm new to this product umbrella group. Wherever I search for WebCenter, suddenly JDeveloper and ADF come into scene. And
no. That's correct. I mean,
I was totally unaware of what those words mean to me.
Okay. Hey, Abhinav, I have a question. You know Java?
Learn more. No.
You know Java?
No.
You don't know Java?
No, I don't know.
You know class, objects, OOPS concept?
Yeah, the basic things are, I'm around basic things.
Okay, basics you know, right? That all what I need. I agreed. I thanks to Abhinav, because you have given a clear thought. I agreed. It's a new thing. I'll tell you, Abhinav. That's why I initially told I need two things. I need one is interest, and second is to do don't hesitate to make mistakes. Okay. Unless and until I'm not going to touch. And I'll tell you guys, this is the future market. I'll tell you, this is the future market. If you go to US, if you tell that I'm a WebCenter guy, and guys, I'm a certified guy. I'm certified in Fusion, I'm certified in ADF, I'm certified in WebCenter. If I'll go to US, I'll tell you one thing, they can't afford. Think about that. It is going to be huge for their experience. It is going to be huge amount for them. That much of capability WebCenter has. Yes, protein powder okay? Okay. That much of capability WebCenter is. So it's heavy. It's heavy. Yes, I agreed. It's heavy, but you're getting heavy amount, right? Why shouldn't a heavy work?
Okay, I have one personal interest. I'm like, tell me what is the instruction for it. I want to download UCM WebCenter 11G JDeveloper on my local system so that I can try out few more options. I'm like, I want to try everything which is available under this product group. So what is the right way? What is the sequence? Is there a sequence? Or
yes, the right way.
Is there
the right way
from you?
Yes, definitely. Abhinav, what I can suggest you, first install JDeveloper. Okay. Because JDeveloper is needed. And once, I'll tell you one thing, Abhinav, once you're gonna get to learn JDeveloper, okay, he's gonna feed you.
Okay.
He's gonna feed you. He's gonna give you money. Okay. So I'll insist, learn first JDeveloper. Take 1 day. Okay. Complete the stuff. It is all easy. It's all wizard. Okay. Go through all the wizard, and after that we'll install WebCenter. Installing WebCenter is different. Installing WebCenter in JDeveloper is different. Remember.
Okay.
I'm adding.
I will integrate both.
We need to do both. But initially, we'll install your JDeveloper and your WebCenter extension. You can download your WebCenter bundle. Whatever the JDeveloper version you have, you should have download that version of WebCenter extension. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll tell that process. No need to worry. Install JDeveloper first. I'll guide with others. Okay. And yeah, that's all. For timing, that's all. I'll take next thing later. Okay, we'll go step by step.
What about database? Do you have any
database? Yes, database. We need Oracle database. It may be lighter database, which is Express Edition. You can have Express Edition database, which is going to help us. You can install the database.
Okay.
Okay, and no need to worry. I agreed with your worriness, but I'll tell you, Abhinav, we'll go smoothly. Okay, we'll go smoothly so that it's going to be visible to everybody. Everybody can get the logic. But one thing I need interest, and you need to do a lot of practice. A lot of practice means at least 1 hour at least. I'll tell you, it's a matter of 30 hours. Finish this 30 hours, do some POCs. I'll tell you, this is going to be fantastic. Okay, you're going to feel better. Yes, I learned something. I can earn more money in this. I'll tell you, the future market is in WebCenter.
Okay.
Okay, learn these things if it is.
Satya, is Raju?
Yeah, Raju.
Oh, no, you don't have much time. You have to rush for the office. Do you know what is the plan Rajesh has for this class? Is it going to start when?
Sorry. How many classes? It's 30 hours.
When is the class schedule going to start? How soon?
See, that we need to discuss. That see, I'm okay with timings. That you guys need to decide, and you need to tell it to Rajesh, so that we'll plan accordingly for a complete starting batch. Because we need to know with all our availability, and so that we can go ahead on that. Okay, you guys let your opinions to Rajesh so that he can manipulate what is the best time to sit and we'll sit in the available time of all our availability. Okay, which is going to make sense also, right? So we'll go in that way.
All right. Yeah. We'll talk about it.
Okay, sure.
Sure, guys.
And Praneeth, are you there? Praneeth? Praneeth?
Yes, Satya, I'm here.
Okay, Praneeth.
So
What are your thoughts? What are you thinking?
I mean, yeah, I'm just looking forward to for the regular classes to start. So.
Okay. And Raju,
Yeah.
what is your thought, sir?
No, absolutely. I'm looking forward. In fact, I may call Rajesh right now after this me call.
Okay.
Because I want to attend all the classes you guys are planning. I don't want to miss any of them. Not for the money, because that is my job. I need to learn them and work on that. So
Correct. That's true. Because see, once my point of view is, let's learn the technology. Money is going to come automatically. I'll tell you. This is remember these things. It is going to happen. Learn the things. Money is going to come automatically. Okay. So fine then, guys. It was nice meeting, guys. And Rajesh, I'm going to wind up the session because I need to rush to office. So okay,
Sure,
fine.
Satya. Sure, guys. So maybe we'll meet, break today and meet tomorrow again at same time, 8 a.m. India time.
oh, is it Rajesh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Rajesh, what number I want to talk to you separately? You want me to call you now?
Yes, you can call me. It's 650-585-2312.
Sorry, give me again.
650
Okay.
585
585
2312. It's a US number.
231. Yeah, I'll call you in 5 minutes, Rajesh.
Yep. Sure, Raju.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys, then.
Okay. Guys.
Okay. Rajesh,
Yes.
what we are discussing is, because we have taken long time today, so rather than taking one more demo, it's going to be the regular batch. What do you say on that? Regular class.
Yeah, that
Hello?
should be fine, Satya, not an issue, because we have Srinivas and Raja also, so.
Oh, they are there also. Yes, those guys are there. Okay, cool. Then yes, talk to them and finalize the timing so that we can sit for a while, okay?
Sure, yep,
So
Satya.
that we can sit for a regular class. Okay, guys, I'm going to wind up the class. Chalo, bye. Take care.
All right. Thank you.